The overall goal of this procedure is to profile microRNA expression efficiently, inexpensively, and with minimal starting material by combining multiplex quantitative RT-PCR with a microfluidic platform. This begins with concentrating extracted RNA, followed by multiplex reverse transcription and multiplex preamplification. The next step is to purify away excessive primers. Finally, singleplex microRNA expression is profiled using a microfluidic platform. The result is accurate and highly reproducible microRNA expression levels across samples of interest.
The main advantage of this technique over existing methods is that the additional purification step after preamplification improves the accuracy and reproducibility of the multiplex qRT-PCR method.
Begin with RNA that has been extracted from serum using an RNA purification kit or phenylchloroform-based RNA method from homogenized tissue like Trizol. All extractions must be followed with a wash step, and all storage is done at -80 degrees Celsius. Concentrate the RNA solution if starting with a limited amount of sample, such as from serum. First insert a microcon sample reservoir into a vial. Then, pipette the RNA solution into the reservoir, being very careful to not touch the membrane with the pipette tip. Now position the vial and filter in the centrifuge, with the crack band towards the rotor, and run the centrifugation for about 3 hours. After 3 hours, the RNA will be fully concentrated on the membrane. To elute the RNA, add a desired amount of RNase-free water to the membrane. Invert the reservoir and place into a new vial. Then spin for 3 minutes at 4 degrees Celsius with maximal 3000 × G. Store the concentrated RNA at -80.